In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a rule in Outlook. Rules in Outlook are incredibly useful for managing your emails effectively as they automate actions like moving, flagging, or forwarding your emails based on conditions that you define. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. If you're using Microsoft 365, you'll find it easily accessible from their main website. Once you're on the login page, click on the sign in button and enter your credentials. Make sure you've got the correct email address and password handy to avoid any inconveniences. Logging in securely ensures that only you can make changes to your account's settings. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your Outlook mail interface. This is where all your emails are organized. Next, head over to the top right corner and locate the settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. The menu that pops up is your gateway to personalizing Outlook to better suit your needs. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Mail. Clicking here will direct you to a more detailed settings page specifically for your email preferences. This is the hub where you can tweak layout options, message formats, and of course rules for handling emails. Now on the mail page, you want to find and select rules. This section is dedicated entirely to creating and managing the rules that will govern how your incoming emails are handled. Once you're on the rules page, click on add new rule. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to define specific criteria and actions for your emails. When you're adding a new rule, you'll need to enter a few details. Think about the kinds of emails you'd like to organize automatically. For example, you might want to move emails from a specific sender to a designated folder. Start by giving your rule a name. Something descriptive will make it easier to manage later on. Then set the conditions that will trigger this rule. This could be a subject line, a sender's email, or other criteria specific to your needs. Once you've defined your conditions, choose an action. This could be moving an email to a folder, marking it as read, or even forwarding it to another email address. These actions help automate your inbox management, saving you time and effort in the long run. After you've carefully filled in all the details, double check your selections to ensure everything is set up correctly. When you're satisfied with your new rule, click on the Save button, commonly located at the bottom of the rule creation window. This will confirm and implement your new rule. And there you have it. You've just successfully created a rule in Outlook to help streamline your email management. Remember, you can always revisit the rules section to edit or add new rules as your needs change. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.